One more time, Brian. What was that?
I said, plant food, man. It's gotta be on, like, a ship. But, like, not a regular ship. Like, I want to be on the Ark, man. Like, give me on the Ark. Like, I want to be, like, with the tigers and the elephants and the mouses, where they all just came together and was harmony. It's the Ark, man. Not the Ark where your face comes off. It's the Ark where you just... It's the Ark, man.
So where do you see plant food going?
We're going all the way. We're going to the Globe Theatre, man, in England. You know, where, like, Shakespeare in Love was performed? You know? Like, that had some crazy shit was said there and done there, and fire and brimstone and shit.
That's good.
The Globe Theatre, and not just the new Globe Theatre, but the old one. Like, we're gonna build a time bubble and get back to the Globe Theatre where actual Shakespeare in Love is performing, man. It's plant food.
What would you say plant food style is?
Plant food style, it's like the best sound on Earth and Mars.
What's plant food's favorite food?
Feel.